Alright guys, this video is to put a wiring kit, tow wiring kit or tow wiring harness on a 2005 Suzuki Grand Vitara. I already took it out, sorry, but if you're going to do this, I believe there's two kits you can get, one for hard wiring and one that I prefer for real easy slipping and, you know, no cutting and stuff. I like that. Be part number 41245, as indicated right there, and it's for a 4 flat, as you can see, 4. Opening it up, there's a little kit with terminal grease, cap, and some zip ties. Other than that, you got your harness. Woo! Maybe some instructions in there. Forgive my car, it's messy. I work out of it. I'm a diver. I think you'll survive. Alright. Open up your vehicle, you go in there on the left. I thought I was going to have to take out all my crap. I was incorrect. Pop that right out. See all your gear right there to lift your vehicle up. Awesome, right? Cool. And then you have this little doodad. I believe that doodad's what you need. So yeah, you'll end up hooking this to that. Simple, right? Alright, we'll put it down for 1 second because I don't have a little helper to, you know, hold this. Maybe I can rig it to, as I put it down, it's just moving. I'm not editing, so forgive me. You'll have to put up with a little bit of annoyingness. You may not get to see me put it on. Not a big deal. Think I can slip a piece on. Not hard. I'm trying. Oh, may get a close-up. Alright. Bam! Done. That easy. We like easy, right? Alright. Oh, by the way, I forgot to put the little electrical grease on there. Let's see. Should be pretty easy to take off. Look at there. Boom. Not a big worrier of that. Alright, let's put some electrical grease. Yay. Yes, I'm messy. I'm not really worried about this stuff. I'm sure I'm right in the line of the camera, but as I said, I don't have someone else holding it for me. Alright, look there. Greased up. Ready to go. Hopefully. Male to female. Oh, she likes it. Alright. That was pretty much it. Yeah, you got your zip ties, grease, yay, all that crap. We'll use it later on whenever I deem it necessary. Of course, you put your little cap on. They come separated, so you gotta put it on. Let's be sure to put it on the right side, because if you look on the inside, look at there, it has a cap for the silver one. I almost put it on backwards. It's stretchy. Pull it apart, sorry. I'm doing this one-handed. Look at there. Magic fingers. If anyone's wondering, that is an underwater metal detector. Yeah, that's right. That's cool, huh? And that's our Nerf battle gun. Never know, you know, when you might need it. I have 2 kids, just forgive me. I have another piece that will be coming in a few days to make this 4-flat into a 5-flat, because I just bought some taillights for my trailer. And it requires a 5-flat, unfortunately. So yeah, the one thing I don't like about all this crap is apparently you have nowhere to just slip this through and make it look all pretty and stuff, unless you're like, you know, all badass and stuff and just pull all this out and you know of a different way. But to my knowledge and from what I found out, there's no way to go any other than going, oh, here, let's put it over here and down there. That's what everybody's saying, and it just slips out, hangs down, and you hook it up. When you're done, you throw it in the back of your truck with the rest of the crap, or vehicle, girl vehicle, whatever you want to call this. But yeah, fun times. We're done. Congratulations.